Hi friends, this video shows how to connect to a Wi-Fi router. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Tap on the settings up icon. Tap on Wi-Fi. First we need to turn on Wi-Fi. If Wi-Fi is off like this, we have to turn on. Tap here and turn on Wi-Fi. Here we can see list of networks. From this list we need to find the name of our Wi-Fi router. This is the name of Wi-Fi network which I have. Tap on this name. See, now it's asking for the password. Enter the password of Wi-Fi router. Okay, I have entered password. Let me join. Tap on join. See, now it's connecting. I think it's connected. Tap here. See, it's connected. So this way we can connect to a Wi-Fi router. And later, if you want to disconnect, you can just turn off this Wi-Fi. And if you want to remove this Wi-Fi router, you can tap on this name, then go down, then tap on forget this network. That way you can remove this Wi-Fi network from this phone. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.